How to make Lofi type beats? So for that, first you have to like collect this kind of noise which sounds like a tape sound or that tape noise. It says vinyl crackle noise. So I have that noise in here, and here I have some cinematic pads for the starting sound, and then we have dialing SFX, like phone dialing. Okay, here we have the pickup one. Okay, so from here we have to add our chords. So for chords, I am just using the bass notes first. Okay, cool. So now we have to make our chord. Let's make 2 space between them, then 3 space in the upper one, then again we have 2 space, then 3 space, then 2, then 1 2 3 space. No, it won't work because it's on the dark line. Let's here it doesn't sound perfect. So now we have to add 1 2 3. If we have skip 3 step, so now we will add 3 step and then 2 step, then 3 step, and let's see. Cool, man, this thing just fired up. So now we have made it the chord. So simple. We can add some things like experiment with this. We just copied the thing and up it an octave, then copied the first one, then paste it again, then make it down an octave, then the middle one up an octave, then this one down an octave. Like experiment with the things. Let's use this thing up an octave. Let's see what we have made. Cool. So we have to make a layer where all the thing is going in one. So there will be one thing that's going into all chords. Okay. So we have made it our chords. Let's copy the bass line. Okay, cool. Let's hear all the things together. Okay, we're not adding this 3x, so it's x. So this already seems so cool. Okay, we have done the thing for the piano and the bass. Now we have to choose split by channel. Now let's separate the bass. Okay, we've separated the bass. This is the chord mainly. In here what we have, let's remove the bass on the first one. So what is happening here is we have just sidechained the bass volume. Okay, so we didn't make it on serum because we have added this later. Let's add it to 28. Then in this one we have in 10. Okay, so in the 28th track in here we have to name it sidechain. Okay, so in track 10 we have our that kick, okay, and where we have the sidechain in here. So we will have to add limiter in here. Let's add the fruity limiter, and now we have to sidechain this thing to that sidechain bus. Just right click and click on sidechain to this track. Okay, so it's sidechained. So now in this sidechain section you have the insert 10, just click on it. Then we will just lower the threshold, add some knees. No, I don't think knees is needed. So add some ratios. So this is what it sounds like, the sidechain and without the sound chain. Like with the sidechain, it lowers the volume of the bass when the drum hits, so it's more visible. In here you can also add a melody. Let's add a cute melody in here. Just using FL keys for like a beginner look. Let's copy the chords and paste it in FL keys. Okay, another one. Okay, pasting it. Now let's listen. Okay, let's listen to it. Add your melody that you like. Okay, it keeps looping. Okay, so you have successfully added your melody in here. Let's delete all the things. Okay, cool. Now we have our melody. You can just add more layers to the thing. I'm not adding this because nothing. Let's go. Let's see how it seems with the melody. So that's pretty much it. You can just complete the whole process in your own, make your own creative thoughts in the melody and the basses and the things. So that was some easy thing that how you can make Lofi beats for, like, it's really amazing and it's really easy to make. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.